Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be just a quick tip that I'm going to do for you guys. This is not related to reselling at all, but I'm going to talk about candles. So right here I have two candles that my husband used and they are at the end of their life. There is nothing left of the wick down in there, but you can see there's still quite a bit left of the candle. So what I have learned a few years ago is to get this out, you can place what's left of the candle in a wax warmer. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I have my tools here. I just have a butter knife and a Ziploc bag just to put these in. And usually I separate the scent melt good together. So I'm going to go ahead and put them all in the one bag. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure your Ziploc bag is open and ready to go. We are going to go with the bourbon one first. These are both from Bath & Body Works, and you can actually keep these jars. These are really nice, so you could totally keep these as well if you would like to, but I'm probably not going to keep them, but they do have a nice lid. So I'm going to go ahead and just take the lid off, and here is what I am going to be doing. I know some people can melt this down and get it out, but honestly, if you just go in there and with your knife kind of break it apart, it's going to come out really nicely. And let's see here. Oh, it smells good. I'm just going to go in and see how I'm just kind of breaking it apart, right? It's going to start to come out in bigger chunks once you have broken it up. And then I am going to dump it down into my bag. So as you can see, it's starting to kind of crumble. So that is what you want. Some brands do a little bit better about coming out like in one piece. Like I've found Yankee Candle does a little bit better at coming out. All right, so it's starting to break apart, guys. So look, there's like some big chunks. I dump this down into my little bag. See, there we have it. Some new wax melts, and these work great in your wax warmer. It doesn't matter what brand you use. Mine is just from Walmart. So there we go, and look down in there, the wick is still there. So I could scrape that out and use the jar, but I'm just going to throw this away. All right, so now I'm going to do this one. This one is mahogany teakwood, also from Bath & Body Works. Let me see if I can angle the camera there a little bit better. All right, so now I'm just going to kind of go in here, break it all apart. All right, this one is breaking apart a little easier. Okay, so I got it all broken up. So here's kind of what it looks like. Pour it down in there. Just a little bit more. I'm going to get there. See there? So there we have it. That can go into your wax warmer, and it smells great.